Hello everyone, Mr. Tryhands here again. We've got some more maths challenges for you today. This challenge has been designed for year 5, but if you're years 3, 4 or 6, you're more than welcome to have a go as well. As usual, once you've had a go, pop your answers in the comments, tweet it to the school or upload it onto Showbie. Here we go. Miss Glenn has just bought a huge pizza. She shares 1/4 of the pizza with her friend Winston. Then she keeps 1/2 of it to herself. Also, Mr. Osmond got 1/6 of the pizza. So, who gets to eat the most pizza? And how much pizza was there left over? So, who gets to eat the most amount of pizza from Miss Glenn's huge pizza? And how much was left over? Good luck. And what I'll do now is go through the answers to last week's challenge. Okay, so if you remember last week, Mrs. Elliot was doing some baking and we thought it wasn't going to end well. But these were the fractions that we had that were given to us. So we had 5/8 of a bag of flour, 1/4 of a bag of sugar, 1/32 of a spoon of salt, and 1/2 of a block of unsalted butter. So what I'm doing now, I need to find the lowest common denominator. And I do that by working out which denominator all the other denominators can fit into. So I know that 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. But there, I've used all of my denominators. So I know that my lowest common denominator is 32. Because if I went any lower, I wouldn't be able to fit 32 into it. So now I know what my lowest common denominator is, I need to convert some fractions. So to do this, I'll just write out my fractions, and I know I want to get to 32 from 8. So how do I make 8 32? So to do that, let's draw my little arrow up here. I need to times 8 by 4, as I've written there. So 8 times 4 is 32. And then what you do is you do the same to the top that you do to the bottom. So you also do 5 times 4, which is 20. So 5/8 becomes 20 32s. The next one, 1/4 into 32s. Just had to check it was definitely a quarter. Mine went blank. So what do I do to 4 to make 32? Well, before I had to times 8 by 4, so I just do the inverse. So 4 times 8 is 32, and you do the same to the top again. So 1 times 8 is 8. And then we don't need to do 1 for the next one because that's already a fraction with 32 in it as the lowest, as the denominator even. So we're on to 1/2. So same rules apply. I need to get 2 into 32. So I do that, do the top arrow, because you do the same to the top as you do to the bottom, times 2 by 16 to make 32, and 1 by 16, which makes 16 32. So once I've converted all my fractions, oh, that doesn't go there, hold on, get rid of that, put it where it's supposed to be, next to the 1/2. So once I've converted all of my fractions, I need to work out which is the largest one and which is the smallest one. So 20, 8, 1 or 16 30 seconds, 32 30 seconds. Which one's the largest? Well, that would be 20. So 5/8 is the largest fraction. Which one is the smallest? Well, 1/32 stays the same. So that means that 5/8 was the biggest fraction. The smallest fraction was 1/32, 1/32. I think that's how you say it. And the lowest common denominator was 32. Well done if you got any of those right. Good luck with the next challenge. Stay safe. See you all soon.